All right, I'm back at Home Depot checking out the deals they have going on for the 4th of July time. And I'm going to first start off in the clearance section. And I know it is hit or miss between stores and regions as far as clearance deals go. I think it might be worth checking your store to see if they haven't had these deals going on too. Because if you've missed my videos I've done for online deals that they've done on HomeDepot.com, they've been having some good deals on the Dewalt 20-volt power stack batteries. And it might be a good time to check your store for some clearance deals on them. So for example, they do have a 3.5 amp hour power stack battery with the 4 amp charger for 78 bucks. It was 199. And they also have a deal on the 2-pack of power stack batteries, which is a 1.7 amp hour one and a 5 amp hour one, as well as a charger. The clearance price is 160. It was 319 for those two batteries. And yes, we've seen better deal on it during the Home Depot deal of the day, where it was like around 134 for the two batteries, but without a doubt, still 160 is a decent price for those two batteries. Those are gonna be their top of the line power stack batteries. They're excellent batteries, nice and lightweight and powerful. And they also have a clearance deal on the DeWalt Flex Volt drill. So it runs on the 60-volt battery, and the clearance price is $269. It was $299. And they have a pretty good clearance deal on the DeWalt Flex Volt 16-inch chainsaw. It is going to be tool only on it, and it's clearance price of 145, so basically 50% off because it was 300 bucks. So it's a good deal on that chainsaw. And they have a good clearance deal on the Ryobi. It's the Edger 18-volt one. It is sold as tool only, and the clearance price is 66 bucks. It was 119. And be sure to check throughout your store when you are in Home Depot, because some stores don't have clearance sections and they just have the clearance items right on the shelf where they normally keep the stock of them. So here's a pretty good clearance deal on the Ryobi 40 volt. It's the 24-inch hedge trimmer. That's priced at only 59 bucks and 50 cents, and it was 129. And in case you're planning on a trip to Home Depot, they do have a 4th of July flyer that runs from June 25th to July 8th for these deals that they have listed in the flyer. And I'm going to cover some of these deals that they have, but they actually have some items that are listed as new items, not necessarily deals on. So for example, they have the Ryobi 40-volt 10-inch brushless pole saw kit with a 2 amp hour battery for $229. Then they have the brand new to market of the 800 CFM blower 40-volt Ryobi with the string trimmer, as well as a battery and charger for $379, and it was $419. And then the other Ryobi option is the mower for $429. It's a 40-volt 20-inch one, brushless, self-propelled with a 6 amp hour battery for $429. It was $479. And here's a quick look at that Ryobi mower. So it is the 40-volt one, self-propelled, rear-wheel drive. Comes with a 5-year mower warranty and a 3-year battery warranty. So it is saving 50 bucks on this mower during this 4th of July time. And I know I featured this following deal in a previous Home Depot video, but it wasn't as much of a discount as it is now. So definitely worth checking your store if you're in the market for an auger, which I have this Ryobi 40-volt auger. It's been great for digging post holes as well as digging holes for plants and landscaping. So this is actually a kit that does include a 4 amp hour battery and charger. So keep that in mind. So this kit is on clearance right now for 224 bucks. It was 500. That's an excellent deal on it, especially if it's at your store and you're in the market for something like this. I've had this for a few years now, and it's awesome. Just pull the trigger and it's ready to start digging. I did get this to replace the Predator one that I had from Harbor Freight that would not start. So I had problems with that one, and this has been no problems at all. It has plenty of torque. The other great feature is that it has an anti-kickback system to it, so it will disengage if it senses like it's getting hung up on something, so it doesn't start whacking you in areas you shouldn't be whacked at. It's an awesome auger. I do recommend it, especially at this $224 price tag. It's an awesome deal. If you're enjoying this video so far, I'd really appreciate you do give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing for more of these tool deal videos. Now let's go to the next deal. And another clearance item they have is on the Husky 3-piece tool bag combination set. So it's 3 different size tool bags that it comes with in this pack, and they offer a 3-year limited warranty on them. So it has a 12-inch, 15-inch, and 18-inch tool bags in this setup. It's priced at only 30 bucks. They say it was 70, which I think the $70 price would have been overpriced, but to get 3 bags for 30 bucks, 10 bucks each, I think that's a pretty good deal. All right, the next deal they've been having for a little bit of time now, but I wanted to make sure I cover it in this video, and it's the buy more, save more event on the Milwaukee Packout system. So if you spend a minimum of $250, you can save $50 instantly, or if you spend $350 plus, you save $100. And this this deal is going to be going all the way until August 16th. So you do have some time on it, like over a month and a half left. And it's a good deal for Milwaukee. Although they've had better deals like during the holiday time on their buy more, save more event, if I recall correctly. But if you're in need of some pack out system, that might be a good time to get some. And if you're looking to get a lot of pack out stuff, be sure you do separate transactions, because if you go over that 350 mark, you're going to be spending more than that, and you can save another 50 or 100 bucks going up the next tier. Then certainly worth doing individual transactions to keep saving that amount of money, because it won't reset after you spend 350 and spend another 350. No, you have to do individual transactions for that, just so you know. And I will be sure to put some links down in the description below in case you are interested in picking some up, and you can see all the qualifying solutions for the pack out system. They say it has 50 plus qualifying products that would be part of that deal from Milwaukee. If you haven't used my link, I will make a small commission on it. I certainly appreciate that support. And you can order it online, have it shipped directly to you, or order it and organize the time to be able to pick it up at the store. So my store did just set up this area of these different storage boxes and components. This was where all the outdoor power equipment they had set up for the springtime. I just want to let you know they do not have current deals going on for the Dewalt or the rigid toolbox storage solutions. I will keep an eye on stuff like this. And I did ask the Milwaukee rep, and he said there's no plans on having any rigid box deals anytime soon. And I know there's been some of you been asking for deals on the rigid boxes. And here's a new color being offered by the Husky brand of the industrial shelving. It's a 4-shelf, and it's rated up to 10,000 pounds of total weight capacity. So they came out with a new army green of it. It's pretty nice. And they seem to be coming out with a lot of army green stuff, like their toolboxes as well. They do have this on a deal price at 200 bucks, and it was 219. I do have a couple sets of these Husky shelves that are in black. The thing that's nice about them, you can get 2 sets of them, and you can use the same post if you're not familiar with this type of shelving, and you can use the same post to go off the other way. And you can add, basically, you can have 3 sections of shelving with only just 2 sets of shelves. So it's nice in that sense, and it's space saving, so you don't have to have multiple posts lined up right next to each other. So it is a decent deal there at 200 bucks, and that's about the average pricing on these shelves. They are around the 220 mark, just as this one is. And even at other stores like Sam's Club and Costco, the price on their shelving there is also around the 220 mark. And Husky even has some mini toolboxes. They have the 10-inch metal mini portable 2-drawer toolbox. I guess the regular price is 20 bucks on them, and they have them on sale for 18. And they have that in the army green as well, which is pretty nice. Obviously has a top handle for easy carrying around, which is also a lid, just like the US General ones are. And the box does fully open. It even has a drawer liner, including in the drawers. And they do have the ball bearing slides to the drawers as well, which glide nice and easy actually. And they're pretty much fully extending drawers too, so you have full access to the back of the drawer as well. I think it's pretty cool. I think it's nice that they included a top handle too, so you can carry it around. They make a good little truck box. So they also have this color, and then they also have this other color as well, at least on display here at the store. I don't see any other options available, but it's pretty nice. 18 bucks for these, which is, I think, the same price that they have them at Harbor Freight, the US General ones. Unless, of course, you're going to Harbor Freight this weekend, where you could save 30% on them, because they are $20 and under for ITC members. And Husky even came out with the Army Green tool bag. Looks pretty nice. It's a 12-inch one. It's rated at 25-pound holding capacity. It has 2 internal and 2 exterior pockets to it. That's priced at only 10 bucks. Next up from Husky, they have the 24-piece 1/4-inch drive, socket, and ratchet set. Comes in the hard plastic case. It looks like it has both SAE and metric sockets that are 24 pieces. So they have the one side of the metric that ranges from 4 millimeter all the way up to 14 millimeter. And then they have an SAE 5/32 all the way up to 9/16 of an inch. It also includes an extension as well as the ratchet. That deal price is 25 bucks. It was 33. Then they also have a 24-piece of the 3/8 drive ratchet and socket set. So it has both the SAE and metric as well. And the SAE ranges from 1/4 inch up to 7/8 of an inch. And the metric ranges from 7 millimeter up to 19 millimeter. Here's the back of this package. So this deal price, you're only saving 5 bucks on it. It is priced at 35, and it was 40. And this seems like a pretty good deal from Husky. It's on the 7-piece ratcheting combination wrench set. This one is in the SAE in particular. So it's got the ratcheting mechanism on the one end and the open end on the other. Well, the deal price is 30 bucks for it. It was 57. And the SAE sizes range from 3/8 up to 3/4 of an inch. And here's the millimeter set right here. And they are 12-point ratcheting wrenches. And the sizes ranges from 8mm up to 18mm. And that's the same price of 30 bucks. It was 57. And here's another new offering from Husky I have not seen before. It's on the lift jack, or lift arm as they call it. It's rated at 250-pound lift capacity, and it goes up to 8 inches high. Something like this is great for lifting different items, including doors and cabinets, to be able to adjust the height of them. So this is a smaller version than the Irwin and Dewalt version, which I have one of the Dewalt ones, but otherwise it looks pretty decent with the feet of it and the handle. So you basically adjust it to micro adjust the height of it, and you can micro adjust the downward motion on this top lever right here. This offers a lifetime warranty on it. That's priced at only 35 bucks, which is a pretty good value compared to the DeWalt one that's priced at 120. And the Irwin one, I think at Lowe's, is actually on a lower price of 79 bucks right now, but that's also normally priced at 100 bucks or 120. And some more Husky offerings. They have the 1/2-inch drive torque wrench on a deal price of 65 bucks. It was 95, and it has a torque range of 50 to 250 foot-pounds of torque. And then they have the 3/8 drive one on a deal price of $55, and it was 94. And this offers a torque range of 20 to 100 foot-pounds of torque. And going back to the storage solutions, so even HDX brand has come out with an army green lid of the 27-gallon totes. Those are priced at 9 bucks each. And a couple other Husky offerings. They have the medium size of the mobile job box in the army green for 80 bucks. Then they have the larger one priced at 90. And here's a look at the inside of the medium-sized box. So they do have a rubber gasket going around the perimeter to keep everything nice and sealed off. And it does feel like a rubber gasket. Comes with 2 keys, so you can lock the box, which is nice. And here's a look at the inside of the toolbox itself. I think it's pretty good value for only 80 bucks on this one, but I do think it's a better value for the larger one for only 90 bucks, getting much more storage. And here's a look at the inside of the large box. This one does come with a separate tool bin, so you can keep other tools in, as well as it has tool holders on the outside of it. It's pretty nice. Well, it basically has the slot for it to go on this side, and it'll stay in place without sliding around because it has these grooves on each side of it. So I think, again, I think it's pretty decent price for this size box. And it does have a couple spots here for 2x4s to sit in, so you could create a table in it. And they have like markings for a ruler marking, but they don't have what the numbers are. I used to have similar boxes to this that were made by the Stanley brand. That's how I'm a little bit more familiar with this kind of box. But this is obviously under the Husky brand. It's probably the same manufacturer as the Stanley was, because it has even the same type of tool tote on the inside. These are pretty durable and rugged boxes for the money. Can't beat them. And don't forget, they still have the deals going on for Ryobi days during this time, and they actually are going to be coming down on July 19th. So you do still have a few weeks left to capture them. And it's either when you buy a battery starter kit and you get a free tool as a option. So they have different options there. I know I've covered it before in previous Home Depot videos, but just real quick, it's 200 bucks for a 3 battery kit, and it has 2 of the 4 amp hour ones and 1 2 amp hour one, the charger. 200 bucks for this, and you have an option of free tools with that. And the 2 options they have on this sign is a brushless blower, a 510 CFM one, or another 2-pack of 4 amp hour batteries. That's a $229 value you can get for free. And then here are some other options under that $200 battery starter kit deal. So you have options of either the 7 1/4 inch circular saw, that is the brushless one, the high torque impact wrench, the 1/2 inch one, that's a 4-mode one, that's a $179 value, or the brushless Airstrike 18 gauge brad nailer, that's a $200 value for that one. And then the other Ryobi Days deal that they have is another battery starter kit for 99 bucks that includes a 4 amp hour and a 2 amp hour and charger for $99, or you could buy the 13-inch string trimmer and edger kit for 99 bucks. Then you do have different options for a free tool you can go for. And this is the sign for this deal for the $99 starter kit. So you have these options of different tools you can go for free. They have them listed here as well, between the angle grinder, that's a $60 value, or the recip saw, that's an $89 value, or the multi-tool, that's a $79 value. So many different good options there from the Ryobi brand during these Ryobi days. And again, you have until July 19th for these deals. So here's specifically a deal for the 4th of July time, and it's on the Ryobi 18 volt 16 gauge straight finish nailer, and it'll shoot up to 2.5-inch nails. And it does mention that it will shoot up to 1,000 nails per charge, and that deal price is at $159, and it is saving $60 on it. There's a decent deal on it for a finish nailer. It is going to be tool only though, and this deal is running until July 8th. And they do have a 4th of July deal on the Ryobi 2-tool combo kit, which is the drill driver and impact driver, and it is a 1/2-inch drill, by the way, and it has 2 of the 1.5 amp hour batteries, charger, and a tool bag with this kit. Well, the deal price is at $99 for the 2 tools, so it is saving $50 on that. And again, you have until July 8th for this deal. And I've covered these deals in the previous Home Depot videos, but I wanted to mention them again because they do come to an end on July 19th. So you do have a few weeks left of them, and you have a couple different options here. So they have for $199, you get a 2-pack of the 5 amp hour batteries on the M18 line. They do have options of these different tools here you can get for free. It's up to a $199 value, so it is a decent deal there. And it's a similar deal to what we've seen during the holiday time, with the exception it does not come with a charger with those 2 5 amp hour batteries. As well as during the holiday time, they have better options of free tools. I think the most expensive option of this lineup is going to be on the radio there, which I do have, and it's awesome. It sounds pretty good too, so it would be a decent pickup there on that one. And then the other option is for $299, you get a 2-pack of the 6 amp hour high output batteries as well as the charger. Then you get one of these options of a free tool you can get with that $299 price tag. The other option they have is you can buy the mid torque impact wrench with the ratchet, 2 batteries in a bag. They don't have the price here on this sign. I think it's around $550 if I'm not mistaken. It's right around there. I think that's what it was online, at least. So you do have these options of a free tool to go for. And if you missed out on my Home Depot daily deals that they've done in this past week, they've often had a deal with the heat gun for a lower amount than the $299 price. It was like around $260, $270. So it was a better deal on the daily deals that they had. So again, these are some good options there. You can get a free tool for any of these kits. And again, you have until July 19th for this deal. And here is another sign of the deal I just showed. So they have a couple different options listed. The inflator is one of them. It's a $199 value, or the Packout 2.5 gallon wet dry vac. That's also a $200 value there. But they do have this one price. It's of the kit of the mid torque wrench and ratchet. That is $549. So that is correct. So if you buy that kit, you also have an option of a free tool. But personally, I think it's a better deal to go with the 2 high output 6 amp hour batteries for that price and getting a free tool. Obviously, a lot lower amount as well. And they have a pretty decent deal on this Dewalt. It's the 20 volt hammer drill and impact driver with 2 4 amp hour batteries and the charger for $329. It was $399, so you are saving $70 on that. And this deal is going to be going until July 8th. So it's a pretty decent savings on that kit. And they also have a deal on the Dewalt 20 volt job site fan for $129. That's saving $40 on that one, which that's the same deal they currently have over at Lowe's as well. And that's also going to be running until July 8th. So I want to give you an example of the reason why you should be subscribed to my channel for these tool deal videos. So this is the Milwaukee 8-piece multi-blade set, the oscillating blade set. So it has a very good variety of different blades there, cut into both metal and wood with the different ones they have. So here at the store, they do have it on the special buy price of $39.88. And last week during the daily deals that they had, I was able to pick this set up for only $21. It was an excellent deal on them, and just wanted to further prove that the daily deals, they are good deals when they have them, and that was an excellent deal at $21. So be sure you are subscribed to the channel for these tool deal videos that I do. That way it helps you save money on the tools. So they do have some other deals listed on a board here, and I already covered these 2 top deals here. But they do have the 2-tool combo kit from Dewalt on the 20 volt on the drill driver and impact driver with 2 batteries for $169. It is saving $80. It is a decent savings there. That's also until July 8th. So I think this is a similar deal they're having at Lowe's right now as well. And also they have a 2-pack of the 5 amp hour batteries for $149. That is saving $100 on that pack, also until July 8th. All right, that's going to be it for the tool deals I'm going to cover in this video. If you did get any value from it, I really appreciate you do give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing for more tool deal videos like this, and I'll see you in the next one.